What's up mga ka-videos PH? Alden Richard hopeful for Catherine Bernardo reunion movie. Alden Richard is admittedly his own fan when it comes to his reunion movie with Catherine Bernardo. Alden, like many, is hoping that he would be reuniting in a project with Catherine. Siyempre ako naman kung talagang matutuloy, yon. Gusto ko rin naman siyang matuloy, the actor said. In an exclusive interview last week at the meet and greet held inside the concept store Vivo in SM Mega Mall. The actor is aware that clamor for his and Catherine's reunion continues even to this day. After they starred in the 2019 phenomenal global box office film Hello, Love, Goodbye, fans have been wanting. Alden continued, wishful thinking, but right now kasi, hindi pa rin naman kami nasasabihan if it's gonna happen, but kung matuloy man, maraming nag-aabang. Isa rin ako doon. So sana matuloy, at yun lang po ang ating maiksim kwento. Please more support my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.